From my heart, you hear the words I say.
Hey, Bunny. I want to say something to you. I love you so much, my little bunny. It was fate that brought us together on 117th and Broadway. You are my best friend. I love you always, and you make my world complete.
And will you be forever mine and be my always? This love will hold the test of time. Will you be forever mine and be my always? The first and last one I love, I'll be forever mine. Love I got, will follow.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you. It's been 8 years, about 8 years to do this. Will you make me the happiest man alive and spend the rest of your life with me?
Yeah.
Marry me?
Yes, Irene! Look at how pretty it is!
Will you be forever
Come here.
mine?
Oh.
Be my always.
Oh,
This love will hold the test of